everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix your iPhone's battery if it dies so fast. In this video I'll explain how you can get longer battery life out of your iPhone without sacrificing functionality. So let's start the video without wasting any time, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So the first step is fix push mail. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down to the apps, tap on it. Next, find the mail app. Tap on it. Next, choose mail accounts. Next, tap on fetch new data. Tap on the toggle button next to push to turn it off. Next, scroll down to the bottom and choose every 15 minutes under fetch. And then tap each individual email account and if possible change it to fetch. And you are done. And the next step is turn off unnecessary location services. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to privacy and security option. Tap on it. Next, tap on location services. And then tap on share my location. If you want to be able to share your location with your family and friends in the messages app, then leave this on. Be careful if someone wanted to track you. This is how they do it. Go back to the previous page and scroll all the way bottom. And then choose system services. Most of these settings are all about sending data to Apple for marketing and research. When we turn them off, your iPhone will continue to function just as it always has. And you are done. And the next step is don't send iPhone analytics. For this, head to settings. Next, scroll down and go to privacy and security option. Tap on it. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap on analytics and improvements. Next, turn off the switch next to share iPhone analytics and share iCloud analytics to stop your iPhone from automatically sending data to Apple about how you use your iPhone. And you are done. And the next step is close out your apps. For this, swipe up from the center of the screen to open the iPhone app switcher. The app switches allows you to see all the apps that are stored in the memory of your iPhone. To browse through the list, swipe left or right with your finger. To close an app, use your finger to swipe up on the app and push it off the top of the screen. Now you have really closed the app and it can't drain your battery in the background. And you are done. And the next step is only use those notifications, the ones you need. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to notifications. And you will see a list all of your apps. Underneath the name of each app, you will see either off or the kind of notification app is allowed to send you, badges, sound or banners. And turn off these notifications by tapping on allow notifications and you are done. And the next step is turn off the widgets you don't use if your iPhone is running iOS 14 or newer. For this, you just need to press and hold onto the widget and then tap on remove widget. Next, choose remove again to confirm and you are done. And the next step is make sure auto lock is turned on. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to display and brightness. Next, scroll down and choose auto lock. Then select any other option other than never. This is the amount of the time you can leave your phone or before the display turns off and goes into sleep mode. And you are done. And the next step is disable unnecessary visual effect. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to accessibility option. Next, choose motion and tap the switch next to reduce motion to turn it on. And you are done. And the next step is turn on dark mode. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to display and brightness and choose dark mode and you are done. I hope this video will fix your battery if it dies so fast, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.